How to hide your phone number on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your phone number on Twitter. First, go to Twitter and then click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety, and now you need to find this one. Click on it, and now as you see this one, turn it off if you want to hide your phone number, and you can turn it on again. And as you see, that's how hide your phone number on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.